y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So we're going to make a quick dinner. I'm going to take the kids to the park and we're just going to have an easy picnic style dinner for tonight. So I want to make something that will transport well, that's quick and it's yummy, so I can make sure that they eat even while we're out there. So we're going to use our little smokeless grill. If you have a George Foreman or something, you can do the same thing with that. But we're going to make some barbecue chicken sandwiches. So I already have this preheated, it's ready to go. And before I left for work this morning, I just put a few chicken breasts that were thawed in a bowl and covered them with barbecue sauce. If you don't have time to do it before and let it set for a while, that's okay. But it really gets the best flavor if you can let it sit in there and really marinate for a little while. But if not, at least an hour or two will be helpful. I hear you, kitty. So I'm going to open this up. Let's see if I can get it to sit open right. Might have to hold it open. But we're just going to lay our chicken breast right on there. And we're going to let these cook for about 5 or 6 minutes. Depends on how quickly these thick pieces cook. There we go. And just close the top. Now this one does have a timer on it, so I can reduce the time down and just let it shut itself off, but I'm going to keep it going. That way, if I need to add a little more time, I don't have to restart the whole thing. But all of this barbecue sauce, I'm going to pour out. You don't want to use this to marinate. I mean, once after you marinate it, because this was all raw chicken in here. But we're going to let this go for about 5 or 6 minutes, and in just a few minutes, we're going to add our pineapple slices to it. Okay, y'all. So it's been about 6 minutes. So we're just going to check everything out. The chicken looks good. We also went ahead and put on the pineapple. So I'm just going to flip these over to get that little char on this side. Slippery little thing. And get our pineapples flipped over. We're going to give them about a minute more. We're toasting up our buns and going to add just a little bit of mayo, some lettuce, and build our sandwiches. And I'll show y'all what it looks like. Like I said, super simple, quick, and easy meal, and very delicious. Okay, so it's really as simple as y'all see. We toasted our buns, got a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of mayonnaise. This is just a sheet of parchment paper that I'm using to wrap it up in. We just take our little chicken breast, plop it right on top. We grab our pineapples and just lay them on. Top it and we'll wrap them up. And dinner is just that easy. So whenever I'm wrapping them in the parchment paper, I like to flip them upside down so that I can wrap them like this. And you stuff them in here, and it keeps them all lined up, ready to go. Hopefully this inspired you to make a quick barbecue chicken dinner, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.